Hey y'all, so today I'm going to show you how I made my fan and light pull chains. So I'm going to make a couple of sets here. I've already picked out the beads I'm going to use. I will have everything listed in the description below, so be sure to check that out. And we're just going to jump in here and get started. So these chains and these little charms at the end, they all come in a set like this. So they all come together like this. I'm going to take off this connector here. And then I'm going to start putting on my beads. So actually, hold on a minute. Okay, so I went ahead and laid my beads out, how I'm going to put them on here. So, and I think I'm going to do the horse on the fan and then the flower on the light. So I just took off my connector there, and I'm just going to start putting my beads on. Now, these little lentil beads, they're easy enough to just push the chain through them. And then you're just going to pull it down. And it's going to sit right on top. Of the little thing there. Okay. So I'm just going to keep doing that. Push these on. Okay, so when it comes to the focals, and y'all, I'm not gonna lie, these can be a pain. Some of the beads are really hard to get on and pull down this chain. So for the focals, I have found this is just a piece of fishing line. And I'm going to push it through the focal here. Okay. And then my end. So I've got a piece cut here and I just folded it in half. Okay. And this is going to help me pull the chain through. Hopefully y'all can see this. So the end here, I'm going to loop it around the top of the first ball there and just kind of work that in there and then pull it through. And then just keep going, pull it all the way down there. Okay. And you can put as many beads on these things as you want. I'll have some pictures at the end of some different ones that I've made. Okay, so this one's done. I'm just going to put this little connector thing back on here. Well, maybe. There we go. So that one's done. Okay. Now we're going to move on to do the flower one. Take the connector off. And these ones here, I'm going to leave in a set. So one fan, one light. And so I tried to correspond the beads to kind of matching each other, if that makes sense. Okay, for these, and these lentils are 12 millimeter, I think. These little round ones are 15 millimeter. You can sit here and push this in just like this. Keep going, and it'll eventually, you'll get it through there. Okay. Or you can use the fishing line on these as well, and it helps. I'll show you on the next one. Work them down. Okay. Again, so I'm going to use my fishing line here to put this on. Get down to almost the end there. Grab this top bead and kind of help. Oh, see, I lost it there. So, start again. Grab the top little bead there and kind of help work that top one in there, and then pull it through. Oh, I lost it again. Oh, that about come out of there. See if I can push it through so I can grab it. There we go. Okay, and again I'll show you on the little round ones. Through there, grab the little top bead and help kind of work it in there and pull it through. Just pull it down there. Okay, one last one for this one. Now, I'm not going to have these specific beads listed in the description because you can pick whatever you want. I'll just list some companies that I buy from, and you can choose what you want. Put my connector back on here. And there we go. So this set is done. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and do this other one here. Again, you can put as many beads on as you want. You can just use the little round ones. You don't have to put focals on if you don't want to mess with those. I'm trying to remember how I had this. I had them all laid out before, so I knew what I was going to do. I think I was going to do that on this one. And then I'm going to do the red with the blue on top. Like that. Okay, now let's see. I'm going to do... yeah, I think I'll do the cow with the fan. Okay, so take my connector off. Get my bead. I'm going to use my fishing line. Grab a hold of that top one there. Help push the through and then pull it. Oh, goodness. Okay. Like I said, I will have a link for these chains down in the description if y'all are interested. Hook that around the top bead and kind of help push it through. Get it started there. There we go. Ooh, this one's easier. As it, some of the holes on the focals are bigger than other focals, so some of them are a lot easier, a lot smoother to slide on. I don't know what's on that. I'll kind of push that through. Oh, see, I lost it. Okay, so not too bad, pretty simple. And connector back on there. So here's a couple of sets. Like I said, I'll throw in some pictures here of some other ones. I made some for my kitchen, so I will have that in there, show you what they look like hanging on the fan. But yeah. Check out the description below. As always, thank y'all so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Leave me a comment if you have any questions. And until next time, see ya.